Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Mafeli. Today I bring to you how to make a healthy mayonnaise without egg yolk. If you have been told to avoid egg yolk but still need mayonnaise for your spreading and salad, then this recipe is for you. But before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Like, share, and also leave a comment in the comment section as you watch this recipe. Let's get started. To start, you will need 4 large eggs. So after you wash your 4 large eggs properly, here I'm going to break the egg and transfer the yolk and the egg white inside into a bowl. Now, if today is your first time stopping by my channel, you are warmly welcome. And I would like to know where you are watching me from so that in my next recipe, I will give you a special tool. After breaking the 4 eggs into a bowl, here I will carefully take out the yolk into another bowl and set aside beautifully. Now, to my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you all so much for your support and your patience with me and to my channel. And I would like you to also share my recipes, like and leave a comment in the comment section to encourage me to do more. After taking out the yolk out of the egg white, I now transfer the egg white into a blender. I will then add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil into it and squeeze 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and add into it as well. After adding the lemon juice into it, I will then add a pinch of salt. Blend it for about 1 minute, and after 1 minute I will add additional 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil into it and continue blending for another 1 minute. After blending for another 1 minute, I will still go in with another 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and blend until it is thick. That means we have used 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil plus 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to blend until it is smooth and thick, and I will show you how it looks once I am done. After blending, this is how it looks. Can you see how thick and beautiful it looks? Once you add everything just like the way I have shown you in this recipe, you will get it perfectly just like the way I have shown you. So at this point, I'm going to transfer into a bowl and I'll keep it in an airtight container to use anytime that I need. I'll keep it in the refrigerator. I will use for at least 3 days or more. And this one, I'm going to use it immediately to make my salad and some spreading. So can you see how good and easy to make this recipe? Thank you all so much for watching to the end of this recipe, and I believe you love this recipe. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment in the comment section to encourage me to do more. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. This is Mafeli. Thank you for subscribing, and always remember, at Mafeli we believe in the old adage, your health is your wealth. So let your food be your medicine. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, keep loving each other, and remember that the love of God to mankind is the greatest of all blessings. Nyamre bua yeke ya biako. Bye.